Hello, Coder Simplified here, and today we are going to learn how to use links in HTML. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to add an A tag. After that, we're going to add href and then equals. And after that, we are going to add double quotes and then the name of our link. I'm just using YouTube for an example. And then after that, we are going to direct our link to a new tab by using target. So target equals underscore blank. So what this will do is it'll basically, instead of opening YouTube and the same tab as REPL, it'll open YouTube and another tab. And then after that, we are going to make a closing tag that says A. And in the middle of this, we're going to add the text YouTube. And as we do this, it'll say YouTube. And when you click this, I'll get a brand new YouTube page. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.